Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today we're taking a deep, detailed look at a luxurious blend of technology, refinement, and electrified performance at the 2026 Lexus ES500e. Lexus has long been known for crafting vehicles that deliver a serene driving experience, and the new ES500e takes it a step further with modern design, intelligent features, and hybrid innovation. Whether you're a luxury lover or a tech-savvy driver, you'll want to stay tuned. Let's break it all down feature by feature. Body panels. The 2026 ES500e's bodywork is a study in sculpted elegance. Smooth, sweeping contours run from the sharply creased hood to the rear, creating a fluid profile that screams sophistication. Lexus uses lightweight, high-strength materials like aluminum and reinforced composites for better aerodynamics and improved fuel efficiency. The side panels are gently flared to highlight the wide stance and give the sedan a confident, athletic presence. Headlights. At the front, you're greeted by razor-sharp, triple-beam LED headlights with Lexus's signature L-shaped daytime running lights. Not only do they look aggressive and high-tech, but they also adapt intelligently to road conditions, using Lexus Blade ScanTech to distribute light with surgical precision. This enhances visibility on dark roads without blinding oncoming traffic. Safety and style, working hand in hand. Taillights. Around back, the ES500e carries a sleek light bar that stretches across the rear, seamlessly connecting the LED taillights. The rear lighting emphasizes width and stability, especially at night. The taillights also feature sequential turn signals, giving the car a high-end, dynamic look whether you're pulling into a driveway or cruising on the highway. Grille. Lexus continues to refine its iconic spindle grille. On the ES500e, it's more elegant and integrated than ever, with a mesh design that reflects the hybrid nature of the vehicle. It's slightly wider and lower set, contributing to the vehicle's planted appearance. Behind the grille are active shutters that help improve airflow for better efficiency and cooling. Seats. Inside, the ES500e wraps you in comfort. The seats are plush, supportive, and upholstered in semi-aniline leather with quilted stitching. Both front seats are heated, ventilated, and offer 14-way power adjustments with memory functions. Rear passengers aren't left out either. They get ample legroom, optional seat heaters, and even a power reclining option on higher trims. It's executive-level comfort, no matter where you sit. Dashboard. The dashboard layout in the ES500e is sleek and modern, built with fine materials like open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and soft-touch leatherette. It features a minimalist design, directing attention to the large central display and digital driver cluster. Ambient lighting adds to the luxurious atmosphere, customizable in multiple color tones to match your mood. Infotainment system. At the heart of the cabin is a 14-inch touchscreen running Lexus's latest Lexus Interface software. It's intuitive, lightning-fast, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The voice assistant activated by saying "Hey Alexa" responds naturally to commands, whether you're adjusting the temperature or setting a navigation route. Plus, the Mark 11-inch surround sound system delivers a concert-like audio experience with 17 speakers carefully tuned throughout the cabin. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped with wood trim accents and heated for colder climates. It's loaded with tactile buttons and touch-sensitive controls that give access to media, phone, navigation, and a customizable digital gauge cluster. The paddle shifters behind the wheel allow for manual gear control, adding a bit of sporty flavor to this refined ride. Engine. Under the hood, The 2026 ES500e features a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine mated to Lexus's latest hybrid drive system. It produces around 225 horsepower, enough for effortless city driving and confident highway cruising. Power delivery is smooth and silent, a hallmark of Lexus engineering, and the ride remains buttery even over rough pavement thanks to adaptive variable suspension. Hybrid option. What makes the ES500e stand out is its advanced self-charging hybrid system. It doesn't require plugging in, it automatically switches between gasoline and electric power, or blends both for optimal efficiency. It's perfect for daily commutes, offering excellent fuel economy. Expect figures close to 50 miles per gallon combined, and low emissions, while still delivering refined power and instant torque when needed. Airbags. Safety is a Lexus priority, and the ES500e is loaded with 10 standard airbags, including front, side, curtain, and driver's knee airbags. The reinforced body structure works with the airbags and seatbelt pretensioners to provide comprehensive protection in the event of a collision. Parking assist. The ES500e makes maneuvering effortless with a suite of advanced parking tools. It includes a 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, and an automatic parking assist feature that can handle parallel or perpendicular parking on its own. Add in rear cross-traffic braking and blind spot monitoring, and you've got a sedan that watches your back literally. Price. The 2026 Lexus ES500e starts at approximately $47,000, with higher trims reaching up to $55,000 when fully equipped. For a luxury sedan that combines electrified efficiency, high-end comfort, and innovative tech, the ES500e offers outstanding value in its class. And that wraps up our comprehensive look at the 2026 Lexus ES500e, a car that proves you don't need to sacrifice luxury to be environmentally conscious. From its elegant exterior to the serene, tech-laden interior, and its refined hybrid drivetrain, the ES500e is truly a modern luxury statement. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe,